A clean car is more than just a pretty sight. It's a reflection of pride, care, and attention to detail. Regular washing protects your investment and keeps it looking new. Dirt, grime, and bird droppings can damage your car's paint over time. This leads to costly repairs and unnecessary expenses. Washing your car regularly helps maintain its value and keeps it looking its best. There are two main ways to wash your car: automatic car washes and hand washing. Both have their pros and cons to consider. The best method for you depends on your budget, time constraints, and desired level of cleanliness. Automatic car washes are convenient and fast. They save you time and effort, making them a popular choice for many. They are perfect for busy individuals who need a quick clean. Whether you're heading to work or an important event, a clean car is just minutes away. Drive through and in minutes your car emerges sparkling. The efficiency of these washes is unmatched. Many automatic washes offer various packages. These packages cater to different needs and budgets. These range from a basic wash and dry to more elaborate options. You can choose what best suits your car's needs. These options may include undercarriage cleaning, tire shine, and wax treatments. Each adds an extra layer of care to your vehicle. However, automatic car washes can be harsh on your car's paint. The brushes and high-pressure water can sometimes do more harm than good. The rotating brushes and high-pressure water may trap dirt and grit. This can lead to unwanted damage. This can cause swirl marks and scratches. Over time, these imperfections can become more noticeable. If you choose an automatic car wash, look for one that uses soft cloth brushes or touchless technology. These options are gentler on your car's finish. For car enthusiasts, nothing beats the satisfaction of a hand wash. It's a ritual that not only keeps your car looking pristine but also allows you to bond with your vehicle. The two-bucket method is the gold standard for a scratch-free wash. This technique minimizes the risk of scratching your car's paint by keeping dirt and grit out of your wash mitt. You'll need 2 buckets, a wash mitt, car wash soap, and a drying towel. Make sure your supplies are clean and ready to use. Fill one bucket with clean water and the other with the soap solution. The clean water bucket is for rinsing your mitt, while the soapy water is for washing. First, rinse your car thoroughly to remove loose dirt. This step is crucial to prevent scratching during the wash process. Then, dip your wash mitt into the soapy water and begin washing the car from top to bottom. This ensures that dirt flows downward and off the car. Rinse the mitt in the clean water bucket after each section to remove dirt and grit. This keeps your soapy water clean and effective. This prevents them from being transferred back to your car's paint. Following these steps will leave your car spotless and scratch-free. Washing your car in your driveway on a sunny afternoon can be a therapeutic experience. The gentle rhythm of the water, the feel of the soap suds, and the satisfaction of seeing your car transform from dirty to sparkling clean can be incredibly rewarding. It's a chance to connect with your car and appreciate its design. Every curve, every line, and every detail becomes more apparent as you wash away the grime. Imagine a mom washing her minivan with her kids. The laughter and joy shared during this simple task can create lasting memories. They giggle and splash, turning a chore into a fun family activity. It's not just about cleaning the car, it's about bonding and spending quality time together. They learn about car care and the importance of teamwork. These moments teach valuable lessons about responsibility and taking pride in one's work. Don't forget about the wheels. They are often the dirtiest part of the car and require special attention. They accumulate brake dust and road grime, which can be tough to remove if not cleaned regularly. Use a dedicated wheel cleaner and a brush to scrub away the dirt. This ensures that your wheels are as clean and shiny as the rest of your car. Finally, dry your car with a clean microfiber towel. This prevents water spots and gives your car a polished look. You can apply a wax or sealant for added protection and shine. This not only makes your car look great but also protects the paint from the elements. Step back and admire your handiwork. The gleaming surface of your car is a testament to your dedication and effort. Your car gleams under the sun, a testament to your dedication and effort. It's a moment of pride and satisfaction. Whether you prefer the efficiency of an automatic car wash or the meticulousness of a hand wash, a clean car is a source of pride. Each method has its own benefits and can be chosen based on your preference and time. It reflects your personality and care for your possessions. A well-maintained car shows that you take pride in what you own and are willing to put in the effort to keep it in top condition. If you liked this video, please give a like, share with your friends, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.